Hello guys, if you are encountering that your version of Roblox is out of date, either here is how to resolve it. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Roblox and select the app from the results. If you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version of Roblox. This ensures that you are running the most recent version, which resolves compatibility and performance issues. If the update option is not visible, your Play Store might need refreshing. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Settings, then Network Preferences, and enable Auto Update for apps. This keeps Roblox updated automatically in the future. Next, clear the Play Store cache to fix any glitches. Go to your phone settings, then Apps, App Management, find Google Play Store and tap Storage, then Clear Cache. Reopen the Play Store and check for Roblox updates again. If the issue persists, uninstall Roblox completely. Press and hold the Roblox app icon, tap Uninstall and confirm. Then reinstall the app from the Google Play Store. This process ensures a fresh installation of the latest version without old data causing conflicts. Additionally, ensure your Android system is up to date. Go to Settings, select Software Update, and install any available updates. Outdated system software can interfere with app compatibility. Finally, verify your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet can prevent Roblox from updating correctly. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or restart your router for a more stable connection. By following these steps, you should fix the out of date error and enjoy a seamless Roblox experience. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.